So you're a dumbass like me and you pull your window down in the middle of winter, gets off the track, right? Well, this is the shit you have to deal with, excuse my French. So everything's easy peasy because you have to take off these bolts that are sprinkled throughout, and then you have a bunch of connectors you disconnect. And then you get to this connector, which is actually jam-packed over here. See how I'm using my middle finger? That's exactly what I'm giving this connector. So how do you do it? Well, apparently they make a special tool, which of course I don't have. But look what happens. You see this? You pull down, and then this little fucking flap goes down. So yeah, I spent over 45 minutes trying to get this thing off, and it doesn't help that it's upside down and, you know, zero clearance. Anyway, thought maybe this will help someone. Volkswagen, goddamn dude, these connectors suck balls.